Question number 1. In the figure L parallel M, ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल, and P perpendicular L, this line is perpendicular L. Perpendicular means that makes 90 degree at that point, and Q perpendicular M, Q is another line perpendicular M, so this line makes 90 degree angle at this point, and so that P parallel Q, ये दोनों लाइन प्रूव्ड करना है कि ये पैरेलल है. गिव रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. एज आई हैव डिस्कस ए लिटिल बिफोर, सी गिवन in geometry we will write first line given, figure given, in given we will write which is given in the question related to that figure, that question. L parallel M, P perpendicular L and Q perpendicular to M. And to prove means so that P parallel Q, so we will write P parallel Q. P parallel Q प्रूव्ड करने के लिए हमारे पास 3 प्रॉपर्टीज है. अल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल, एंड द एंगल ऑफ एनी पेयर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड आर सप्लीमेंट्री, then it must be a parallel line. या तो आप दो एंगल सेम साइड दोनों को आप जोड़ करके 180 ले आए तो भी पैरेलल लाइन, अल्टरनेट ले आए तो भी पैरेलल लाइन, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग अगर प्रूव्ड कर दे तो भी पैरेलल लाइन. सो सी हियर प्रूफ. सिंस L parallel M is given, L parallel M and the property says that here angle 1 let, यहां पर हमने एंगल 1 खुद मैंने नाम दिया है, एंगल 1, एंगल 2, एंगल 3, which is not given in the figure. So let angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. See here, angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angle. See here, angle L parallel M, then we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 1 due to parallel line, that is known as corresponding angle. But in the figure angle 1 is 90 degree. Why? Because P perpendicular L. So angle 1 90 degree and angle 2 angle 1 के equal है, यानी angle 2 is equal to angle 1, so we can write angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle 1 90 degree, angle 2 90 degree, angle 3, see here, angle C, angle 3 we will write 90 degree because Q perpendicular to M. So see here, also Q perpendicular to M, and we will write angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. But angle 2 plus 3, angle 2 is 90 degree plus angle 3 is 90 degree, and we add it, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So we can say that the sum of angle 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree, but these are the pair of consecutive interior angles. So see here, 2 plus 3, 90 plus 90. If the sum of angle 2 plus 90 degree, 2 plus 3 is equal to 90 plus 90, 180 degree, then we can say that this is a consecutive interior angle and this is a parallel line by the property. These are consecutive interior angle, these are the pair of consecutive interior angles, therefore we can say that P parallel to Q and we can write proved. Question number 2. Question number 2 is based upon previous figure 10.22. Question is, what can you say about the quadrilateral ABCD given in the figure 10.2? ये जो फिगर है, इस फिगर के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो फिगर है वो क्या रेक्टेंगल है? नेक्स्ट, इज इट ए रेक्टेंगल? जस्टिफाई योर आंसर. सी द आंसर. सिंस L parallel M as it is given in the question. It is given in the question. And P parallel QC as proved. As proved. ये क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ था और ये प्रूव्ड करके हमने अभी लाया. जब दो आमने सामने का लाइन पैरेलल हो, देन वी कैन से दैट वी नो दैट इफ टू पेयर्स ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, then it must be a parallelogram. Therefore, we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. See again this figure. This line and this line parallel, and this line and this line parallel. If opposite pairs, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. And when ABCD is a parallelogram, we can write, we can say AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. See here, ABCD is a parallelogram, then we can write AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Hence, we can say ABCD is a rectangle as given in the question. Question asked, is it a rectangle? Yes, ABCD is a rectangle. Question number 3. In the figure ABC, see here, ABC is a triangle. This is a triangle. And AD is an altitude. Altitude means perpendicular. This line makes 90 degree on this line, here and there. इस तरफ या इस तरफ, दोनों तरफ 90 डिग्री बनाएगा. Altitude means perpendicular. So that यानी prove that BP parallel AD. You have to prove BP parallel AD. पैरेलल प्रूव्ड करने के लिए अल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल ले आएंगे, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल ले आएंगे, या कंसिक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल 180 डिग्री 180 डिग्री अगर ले आते हैं, देन इट मस्ट बी ए पैरेलल लाइन. सी हियर. एंड सेकेंड CQ पैरेलल AD and third BP parallel CQ. So we will solve, we will prove it one by one. सबसे पहले we can write given ABC is a triangle and AD is the altitude. To prove, as given in the question, BP parallel AD, CQ parallel AD, and third BP parallel CQ. So first we have to prove BP parallel AD. Here मतलब यहाँ PBA, this angle is equal to 40 degree as given in the question. BAD, this angle is also 40 degree. This is also given in your questions. Both are same. So as I have written, angle PBA is equal to angle BAD is equal to 40 degree. But these are the pair of alternate interior angles. See here, alternate interior angle. Then we can say that this line and this line parallel. That means BP parallel AD. तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने प्रूव कर लिया. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन सी क्यू पैरेलल AD. CQ parallel AD. See carefully. AD perpendicular to this line, so it is 90 degree, and CQ is also perpendicular as given in the question, 90 degree. See, 90 degree and 90 degree. But these also forms a pair of alternate interior angle. Therefore, we can say that AD and CQ parallel. See here, I have written angle ADC. Angle ADC 90 degree. Angle ADC 90 degree. आपकी सुविधा के लिए, for your convenience, हमने पहले से ही ड्रॉ कर लिया ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो. एंगल ADC 90 डिग्री, एंगल DCQ 90 डिग्री. दिस एंगल आर इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सी हियर, बट दीज आर द पेयर ऑफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स, सो वी कैन से दैट CQ पैरेलल AD. CQ parallel AD. And third question demands, see carefully in this figure, third question demands BP parallel CQ. BP parallel CQ I have written, but पहले समझना इस क्वेश्चन को. This angle is 40 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and we have to find this angle. What is? See here, triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Due to angles सम प्रॉपर्टी. ट्रायंगल में तीनों एंगल का सम 180 डिग्री होता है. सी हियर, in triangle ABC as given in the question, AD is perpendicular, AD is an altitude, and angle ADB is 90 degree, and we know that by the angle sum property, angle, you can write angle S, angles sum property, so we can write angle BAD plus ADB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. Angle BAD is equal to 40 degree plus angle ADB, due to altitude it is 90 degree, and we have to find ABD, angle ABD. 40 plus 90 130, and angle ABD is equal to 180 degree. Angle ABD is equal to, we replace this side, 180 minus 130, and we get 50 degree. 50 degree. See here, see in this figure, this is 50 degree, this is 90 degree, 50 degree, and we add this angle PBD. Angle PBD is equal to angle PBA plus ABD. It means 40 plus 50, it means 90. This angle is 90 and this angle is 90, but these form a pair of alternate interior angle. See, 90 degree after adding 50 plus 40, 90, and this angle is also 90 degree, but this form a pair of alternate interior angle. Then we can say that this line and this line are parallel lines. See carefully. Angle ABD 50, Angle PBD is equal to angle PBA plus angle ABD is equal to 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. आप अपने पास बुक रखेंगे, बुक को केयरफुली देखेंगे कि मैंने कहाँ कहाँ एंगल को क्या क्या पुट किया है. दैट इज 40 प्लस 50 90. एंड PVD, एंगल PVD is known as also angle PBC. PVD is equal to PBC. You can write PBC 90 degree and BCQ is 90 degree. Both are same 90 degree, but it follows a pair of alternate interior angles. So we can say that BP parallel CQ. See carefully. Understand it? Okay. Thank you.